Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. Another day, another photo. Was driving down the road, saw this little church building and this tower, and it caught my eye. Wanted to take photos. I did. So here we are. Bum, 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 bum. We're gonna edit it now. Edit it up and edit it down. Anyway, here we go. Little white, have it black in now. Color grades, blending, a little blending. Got a little bit of faded look, shadows there. A little more prominent, like it, like the shadow, like the way the shadows are coming across. That's what brought me to image. Alright. Let's get some masking. Nice. Like this guy just a bit. Good. Okay, we're gonna duplicate invert said mask. Yeah, Sidney's curve. Okay. One thing I want to get rid of is this wing light. Bada bing. That's our photo for today. Thank you for watching. See you on the next.
I'll take a pound of nuts.
That's a lot of nuts! That'll be $4, baby! You want fries with that? He just left! With nuts!
Bye-bye.